Hi everyone, I'm Elaina. You can find me on What Presents Was, Painted with Raven Season 2 available right now. I usually do drag looks, celebrity impersonations, face paint, and colorful beauty looks, you name it. So in this video we're doing a drag inspired look, of course, and why not? Because we are reviewing the Kimchichic new collection, all the jewel tones. So we got this. It's called Jewel Collection. So I got 4 palettes. I'm going to swatch them all 4 palettes. And we're going to do this look real quick. And you'll see how it performs. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So first of all, I just wanted to thank Kimchichic Beauty for sending me over this in PR. So this is gifted and this came for free. So I just want to get that out of the way. And I'm not sure what this is gonna cost because as I'm filming this on Monday, I know that collection drops on Thursday and this video comes out on Wednesday. Long story short, I don't know the price yet, but if I find out before I put it out there on Wednesday, I'm going to put this in the description box or somewhere on the screen because I don't know yet. But this is a cute 9-pan palettes and this is called Jewel Collection. We got Emerald. Like this. It's very shimmer heavy, like I keep saying, but look at that. Every one of them comes with matching package of jewels, and I think this is so smart and it's like very unique idea that I haven't seen before. I think and probably been done, but me personally, I have attention span of a squirrel friend, so I don't think I've seen it. Or I don't remember, but it's beautiful and I think it's a really cool idea. So I got this and I got Sapphire that I used today, and this one looks like this. Glitter, amazing formula, creamy, buttery as usual. Kimchi glitter formula is the tits, as I always say. Diamond, this is the only one that's really sparkly, and there's no mattes here, and it's only sparkly shimmers and glitters. I don't know if you can see well, but I'm going to swatch it in a minute. And this one comes, of course, with a set of gems. Like this is the blue one. I already used them, clearly. And we got the clear ones for the diamond. And we got red ones. And this one is for rubies. And rubies look like this. And here's the rubies. Rubies have mattes, like only 4 mattes. It's mostly like shimmers, I would say. It's majority shimmers and some mattes. And I think it's sparkly, they wanted to make a diamond collection, jewel collection. So let me swatch this. And don't forget, if you want to pick this up, if you're a fan of kimchi, if you're a collector, you can use the Elaina Glam discount code for additional 15% off. And I get commission, just saying. So let me swatch this real quick. I'm gonna go on silent because I ain't got time. First up, rubies. And here are the swatches. I would say the glitter swatch like butter. They literally keep going and going. Smooth, pigmented, opaque, very saturated. The shimmers on this one kind of meh. Not all that. The other ones are more of metallic, and this are more of like a satiny shimmers, but nevertheless there is some depth here, so there you go. So let's move on to the next. So this is it. That's the green one. It's called Emerald, of course. That's the palette. And it has beautiful glitters. Again, the glitter swatch, look at that swatch. And it's not me packing it. It's like literally you just pick it up and it just goes on. Glitter is amazing. And this one's pretty. I kind of poo-pooed in the green one. I wasn't into it, and now I'm like, you know what? It's beautiful. The shimmers in this one are really metallic, real nice. And we off to next. So here we got the diamond, and this is all glitter and shimmers. So I would say like it's 1, 2, 3 shimmers, and the rest of them glitters. And one of them's kind of like almost a topper. This one here. But the glitters, I was literally moaning swatching them. They're so beautiful. Creamy, go on forever. Extremely pigmented. I got some of them on my brow bone here too. Gorgeous. So let's move on to my favorite. That's it. And this is my favorite palette. And by the end, I got tired, and that my favorite swatches, my favorite palette swatches are the sloppiest. But that's how it is with me. I hate swatching. So, but it got the depth. So this is probably the deepest, almost black. There's dark blue, and there's this beautiful jewel tone blue, and there's a very, very, very opaque pale blue. And the glitters are gorgeous, of course. And the shimmers are very, very soft and buttery in this one too. So yeah, I love this one. That's my favorite for sure. I kind of wish to put a black and white in the diamond one instead of all glitters, but you know, that's a concept. So, but there you go. So let's get into the quick tutorial and you'll see the final look. I mean, it's there at the end. So I'm starting with the deepest blue and I'm creating this kind of wavy cut crease. I just had a general idea that I wanted a different shape, not a straight cut crease, something that ocean wave inspired and tears and snow. I don't know. I had just a general idea and there we go. And then I'm gonna go to lighter blue and then lightest blue pretty much. The deepest black that you'll see later, I didn't show it to you because that was a matte from another kimchi palette. So I used the kimchi for that, but I did cheat and use a black from another palette. This one is real opaque. The light blue is beautiful. And the glitters and shimmering glitter. One of them is shimmer. The blue one. And then the blue glitter on top. I also off camera I added some other glitter from the diamond palette. And that glitter was even more beautiful. I just was piling up that glitter in there, honey. And here's the reveal. I mean, I did a lot off camera because I just wanted to show you guys how it applies, because technically it's not a tutorial. It's just, you know, it's just a small little palette, you know, there's not much to it, but I would say this is like the usual kimchi quality of glitter and shimmer. The formula is so good, so creamy. It's like every time it's better and better and better somehow. So, you know, I love blues. You might have noticed on my channel. I love blues, including painting my whole face blue. Almost actually did the face paint for this, but I wanted this to stand out and not the face paint. So I did kind of a oceany with a teardrop, you know, kind of a drag creature. So yeah, there you go. It wasn't anything specific. I just started to draw and this happened pretty much. So I love the blue tones. I love the you know, the color story. It's very shimmer heavy. So there's 1, 2, and 3 mattes, and most of them shimmers. But I think this is the whole idea because it's a jewel collection, right? Since I'm filming this before the release, I'm not even sure how it's going to be priced, like I said in the beginning. So I think the whole idea is to have a lot of shimmers because, you know, jewels. But as a standalone palette, I would say it would be hard to do a look. I mean, you could, but it's like it's a great addition to have something like pops of shimmers. Like the black one, and I use this one for diamond, and it's literally all shimmers and glitter. But the formula is so darn good. It's amazing. So yeah, I like it. I don't say I would buy this because I have a lot of glitter already, but the formula is the bomb. So here's the close-up with the gems and everything. So we get into the end of this video. So we got 1, 2, 3, and I did not use the rubies, of course. I showed in the beginning, and I didn't use the emerald. So what I think about these, I think they're very cute. I would say a lot of people would critique as too much shimmer, but I think it's the concept, the jewel concept, like they want it to be shimmer heavy. And I like what I like about this, that I don't think I ever seen a palette coming with the matching set of jewels. Maybe I'm wrong, that probably been done, but this is the first time I see it so well done. Like the color matches perfectly, and it's such a great concept to create some fantasy look, like, and for drag especially, you know, to have all jewels, and not even not for drag. for Halloween, this kind of things. I mean, that's like, to me, that's the best part, to have jewels that come with it. And I would say that adhesive that comes with the jewels is real good. I did not use any lash glue. These are all just adhesive. I literally applied it to the wig line and it stuck to it. I don't guarantee that it would last. If I went out, I would probably use the lash glue. But like, this is like, it's sticking. This one is sticking, so that's good. And yeah, so I'm very, very impressed. Love the jewel. And of course, the blue is my favorite. The blue is gorgeous. And the jewels are gorgeous. I lost a few on the floor. I better pick them up before cats eat them. Yeah, I recommend this. I'm not sure what the price is gonna be, but as a fan of Kimchichic beauty, like, I love it. And if you guys are fans, if you're collectors, of course, it would be something for you to pick up. And it's great for Halloween looks, with the gems. So yeah, it's a very nice addition. So use my my discount code Elaina Glam if you guys like to pick them up. And happy shopping tomorrow. So thank you all for watching. Leave me a comment, like this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Ring notification bell, and follow me on social media. So all the links are down below. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Bye!